guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to update to the latest iOS. So let's get started. Go right into your settings. Now it doesn't matter if you guys have an iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, it's the same thing for all of them. Under your settings you guys will scroll down until you see general. So even before we go there, I want to show you up here where you guys see your name. Right there you guys are going to see your iCloud Backup. So make a backup right there. If you guys don't have any space, don't worry about it. Hook it up to your computer. Use iTunes, which is a free program for any PC or Mac out there, and then make your backup in there. That way it's unlimited and you guys don't have to pay a penny. So that's iTunes once again. Anyways, we're gonna go right here under general, software update, which is our second option. And then you guys will see download and install. Some of you might see install and that's it. And that's because it's already downloaded. Sometimes that happens, automatically downloads. Or maybe you didn't even notice that you pressed download way before. Anyways, let's just go into download and install. Once you do that, the first step is downloading and then it's going to install. So in the downloading process, it doesn't really matter if your iPhone, iPad, or Touch just turns off. The download can resume afterwards. However, once it's installing, it's very important that it doesn't turn off, because then you might have problems. You may have to restore it. That means everything will be deleted from your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. If that happens, luckily you guys made that backup that I told you through iTunes, which again, it's free. Now this isn't a huge update. It's actually pretty small. However, you are looking at download time, not really 23 minutes like it says right here. It really does depend on your internet speed. But for most of you, you're looking at nothing more than 10 minutes. And the installation would be around 5 minutes. But really, it really depends what iPhone you guys got, what iPad you guys have, and how fast your internet speed is. If you guys are stuck here for, let's say, 2 hours or something like that, then something may have gone wrong. You may have to plug it into your computer and use iTunes to restore it, or just update it through iTunes once again, because you guys can also do that in iTunes, which is compatible with both Mac and PC. So if you guys have Windows 10 on your laptop, it's compatible. You guys can download iTunes and there you go. So after a few, I'm just gonna see install. Okay, it's gonna pop out a message for me to install it right now. It's gonna restart. So I'm gonna see an Apple logo, a loading bar, and then it's gonna go back and then I'm done. Alright, so it's just gonna restart, Apple logo, loading bar, and you guys are done. Your update. For any update, you guys need at least 50% of your battery. Even if you guys have more than 50%, I highly suggest just plug it in some electricity. Nothing's gonna happen. Even right now I'm at 100%. It doesn't matter. I'm still gonna plug it in because I don't want anything to happen, because I don't want to have to restore it, because that takes quite a bit to restore the whole thing, and you might lose a couple things, but usually your contacts there, your photos, everything will be saved, so you guys are good to go if you guys made that backup. But it is annoying if you guys have to restore it at the very end. If you guys don't see the update right there, again, you guys can try it out with iTunes, or else right here on apple.com you guys can see if your iPhone, iPad, or Touch is compatible. So here's a list of iPhones that are compatible with iOS 12. If your iPhone's not here in the list, it's not going to be compatible. You guys will not be able to update it. Same goes with iPads. Right here's the list. Okay. Or if you guys have an iPod Touch, it's only the 6th generation that's compatible. So once again, if it's not on the list, it's not compatible. You guys won't be able to run it, which is a good thing because it would make it too slow. Even with an iPhone 5S, for example, that's pretty old right now, it would any update will actually make it a little bit slower anyways. Like I mentioned, this isn't a huge update, so it's not gonna take that long in order to download and install. I can see a lot of you who have newer iPhones, such as an iPhone SE, for example, or anything above that. You guys should be running this pretty fast, and it should be downloading and installing in about 10 minutes maximum for most of you. Anyways, guys, you guys should see something like that popping up once it's done. I'm just gonna put remind me later for now. However, I can install right now, then this will be turned off, and now I can't really record that. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.